This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to share a review link on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page. Now we will first, there's a few different ways. I mean, you can share review links of films from anywhere really on the site. But I will show you from the profile first of all. So you hover over your profile details at the top here, click on profile. Now we'll find a recent review. You could go into reviews here at the top and see all of your recent reviews. But if I go back to the profile here, I'm just going to show you how to share a recent review, which is one I actually did today for Elevated to the Gallows 1958. So we click on the review, we open a review, and importantly, we are now in the actual review page of this particular film. So I'm going to show you that again. Actually, I'll go a little bit slower. So from here, I'm on my profile and I can literally just click right here to open up the review page. So this isn't the film page, this is the review page. As you can see, the review is written right here. We can edit and delete the review from here. We can see recent activity, show your activity. But what we want to do is we actually do want to share the review. So we got the share button at the bottom. So first off, it gives you this shortened link right here. So you can click the clipboard icon that says link copied to clipboard. And I'll show you what it looks like when we open it. Let's open a new tab. And just like that, we have a direct link to this page. So that is the shortened link version. You could, of course, just share this link as well and drop that in social media or in a website, a newsletter, wherever you want to put it, maybe in a WhatsApp group or something. Or we can hover over share again, and we can actually share directly to either Twitter, now known as X, or Facebook. So they give you these. So if you click here, this makes it super easy. We click on X and it actually comes up with the review itself. You can obviously edit the text here and make your own little editorial sort of caption right here. But also it immediately gives you this graphic here with your actual specific rating. So, I mean, that's pretty cool, really handy. That's all built in with the code of Letterboxd in their back end. So yeah, they make things very, very easy to share a review. Hopefully you found this video on how to share a review link on Letterboxd. You can, of course, do this for your own reviews. You can do it for other people's reviews as well. If I click on this review here from Edgar of Elevated to the Gallows, you can do the exact same right here. So if I did the Twitter version right here, you can see that this is actually pulling in Edgar's review right here. So yeah, super useful, super helpful. Hopefully you found this video on how to share a review link in Letterboxd useful. If you have, dropped this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.